Welcome to the July 2009 edition of Simon's Nature Chronicles, your favourite first edition documenting me, Simon, and my experiences in nature. This week an accumulation of at least 2 hours of filming at an undisclosed secret US northeastern location. While filming at Kensington Metro Park in Brighton, Michigan between the hours of 1 PM and 8 PM along the nature trails, I was fortunate enough to meet some surprising and wonderful friends. Here we see a gentle swan family going for a swim. As you can see, the adolescents have fully plumed in their full white. And if you'll notice, they're actually moving forward with 1 foot out of the water. This looks peculiar and may be interpreted as a bit of play, but actually there's danger lurking underfoot, and they're doing what they can to avoid it. This looks like a bit of an old log, but in reality it's a 90-pound snapper turtle. This is what the swans were trying to avoid. Snappers have been known to grab the legs of young swans and pull them under to drown them, and then eat them. Being 90 pounds, this little fellow would give a human being a run for its life. Fortunately for us humans, the snappers don't move very quickly, and most of us don't go wading through ponds of muck. Above the surface of the water is a cedar waxwing. These little birds are about 6 to 7 inches in length and weigh 30 grams. They're very quick, agile little fellows, and they like to eat berries, fruits, and insects, particularly dragonflies. Here is an osprey tending to its young. Ospreys are predatory birds and about 2 feet of size, with wingspans of up to 6 feet. During the era of DDT, ospreys neared extinction. Fortunately, their numbers are slowly growing back. Here we see a group of sandhill cranes. Cleaning their plumage after a long day of flight, these birds have a span of up to 7 feet and stand about 4 feet tall. Also, the native Michigan crane is here, foraging for food for its young. You'll notice that the male, or female, not sure really exactly which one, with the red in the eye, is digging vigorously in the ground to try to find a worm, thus teaching its young how to feed itself. In the meantime, the young seems to be very dependent on its parent. Even going so far as to trying to eat the camera for food. Hello. Hey, thanks. Scratch up my lungs. Appreciate that. I don't think it's food. I don't think you can eat that. A baby red squirrel drops by to see what all the commotion is. As soon as he says hello, he's gone again. Delighted to have captured their attention, all I needed to do now was find a worm. The parent, having the most experience of the three of us, realizes very quickly that I have no idea of what I'm doing. Eventually the young one realizes this as well, and they're off.
Well, it's right to follow its real parent, because apparently I'm not good at finding worms. There we go. Blast.